you have it. We have completed the Ford Raptor R project that we've been working on for the last week or so. This one came to us, really wanted to protect it and customize it at the same time. It came in pretty stock with just the graphics on the side and the regular gray paint. So we actually added full XPEL Stealth to the full vehicle. We also added some ADD aftermarket off-road bumpers on the front and the back, along with the LED packages that come inside those bumpers, just to really kind of give it a more rugged off-road customized look. Some other customization features that we did to it were the flares. So instead of the just traditional gray flares that come on them stock, we actually color matched these, and then we actually protected them with Ixuviate paint protection spray. We also added that onto a couple of the more complex shapes that would have kind of shown some of the different gloss underneath if we had just gone with the PPF, just because of limitations of vinyl film. But so for like the door handles, the mirrors, and the flares, we added that Ixuviate protection. So they still look just like the XPEL Stealth, but it gives it that 100% complete coverage without any kind of gaps or seams or edges, just because they're complex shapes. So truck was already sitting on these really nice HRE wheels, so those kind of really tie in really nicely with the matte stealth look overall on the truck. So super happy with it. We also added some XPEL window tint just to kind of darken that a little bit. Some small electronic features like the dash cam and a hardwired radar system, just to kind of really, again, complete the truck, make it everything this customer was looking for. So again, no matter what you're looking for, whether it be protection or customization, you can come see us at IX Exotics and we'll get you squared away.